In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an editable, fillable PDF form from Excel content. Sometimes you have data in Excel that needs to be transformed into a more interactive and accessible format, like a PDF form that others can fill out electronically. I'll guide you through this process using a straightforward two-step approach, starting with converting your Excel data into a PDF document layout and then transforming it into an editable form using Acrobat Pro DC. Let's dive in. We begin by converting your Excel document to a PDF. Start by saving or exporting your Excel sheet as a PDF. This first step is crucial because it preserves your Excel form's layout in a printable PDF format, which will serve as the foundation for your fillable form. If your Excel sheet includes multiple pages or sections, make sure that the resulting PDF layout matches how you want the form fields to be displayed later. This alignment will save you time and effort as you move to the next steps. Now, moving on to creating a fillable PDF form, you'll need to open the PDF you just created in Acrobat Pro DC. Utilize the Prepare Form tool in Acrobat. This handy tool can automatically detect form fields, which can be a huge time saver, especially if you have a complex form. However, if you prefer a more hands-on approach or if your form requires specific field types, such as text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, or dropdowns, you can add these manually. For each form field, ensure you set the properties to suit your needs. This includes naming the fields, setting the alignment, choosing the font and border color, and marking fields as required if necessary. Taking the time to customize these properties can significantly enhance the usability and professionalism of your form. Finally, if you want to take it a step further, you can populate these form fields automatically from Excel data. This step is optional, but if your goal is to autofill the PDF from your Excel sheet, you can achieve this by mapping the Excel data to the form fields through a data import process. Generally, this involves exporting your Excel data into a structured text or XML format. From there, Acrobat's data import capabilities or a tailored script can populate the fields efficiently. Alternatively, a data merge approach can be used by setting up a template PDF with a data source to populate the form fields in batch using a compatible tool. That's it. You've successfully converted an Excel sheet into a fillable PDF form that can be shared and utilized seamlessly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy Adobe Acrobat tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you next time.